Frank Bruno Law is where you can find all of the answers to many of your problems. What do we handle there? There is information on estate plan, elder law, guardianship, divorce, and real estate. Yes, so many things. And yet we have an emphasis on those areas of law. It's myself and an associate, several other attorneys, several paralegals, and we work together as a team. I'm the chief attorney on issues related to guardianship and estate planning and issues related to elder law, which is a broad spectrum of, interrelated laws. I also take on court appointments in surrogates court. We probate and we do divorce and we handle real estate. Why do we do those things? Well, in life, I'm trying to do interrelated. They're interrelated. In estate planning, we take what you have while you're alive and we make a plan to pass it on to your loved ones. Your spouse and children, your friends and family, your house of worship. And that involves the use of an estate plan. What is that? Well, it's a plan for your estate. It either could be a trust, it could be a will, it could be by specific designations on the various documents. And if we utilize a trust, they come in two flavors, irrevocable and revocable. There are special needs trusts, but that's not part of this conversation. So when we utilize a trust, we take the assets that you have, which oftentimes include real property, a house, an apartment building, a commercial property, and we take the deed and we transfer it into the trust. That's why we do real estate. I represent trusts that sell property. I represent trusts that buy property. I represent persons that transfer property from their individual name into their trust. So it's sort of interrelated, or at least adjacent. Real property is estate planning adjacent. And then because we handle litigation, we handle divorce and guardianship litigation. Right? You might say guardianship and divorce. Well, oftentimes they're the same population. Children that are fighting over their parent are the same people that as parents fight over their children. That's a conundrum. But it's families fighting over family members. Yes, it happens in family court, in Supreme Court, in divorce matters, in Supreme Court for guardianship cases, and in the surrogates court fighting over a loved one's money. It happens in all of those places, and we follow the cases and we handle the cases across the several areas of practice and the several courts. So if you need us, we will be there. Check it out, frankbrunolaw.com. Thank you.